of students and ladies and gentlemen. Uh, are you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Are you hear my
Yeah,
voice?
Yes,
yeah.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, thank you very much.
Good, good.
Next, the Honorable Mr. Perry and Miss Pellavi, right?
Yeah.
And all of teacher here and all of the students beloved. First of all, let us thanks to the Almighty Allah Subhanahu wa Taala. Because of His blessing, we are able to come here to join in this upgrading English. Okay, right. Secondly, salawat and salam also delivered to our Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, who has guided us from the darkness into the brightness. Okay, now I will read one by one the agenda today that are. The first session is opening. The second session is introduction. And the last third session is presentation time. And the fourth session is closing. Okay, are you hear my voice?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Uh, okay, the time and the place for Mr. Perry uh, uh, intro introduce us this opening session, right? Mr. Perry, please introduce your personal identity.
Okay. Hello, everyone. And how are you? I would like to ask every one of you to mute yourself before we start. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So,
Please silent all of students.
hello, everyone. My name is Paritosh. And as I have been known in Indonesia by the name of Mr. Pari, as my near and dear ones call me Mr. Pari. So my actual name is Paritosh, and I am from India. I am a teacher. I am a guide. I am a mentor. Do you know what is mentor? A mentor is
Yes, I
someone.
know.
Yes, I know.
Yeah. So a mentor is someone who guides you towards your career growth. So I am here to introduce you to the different prospects of learning English and why we should learn English and what is the importance of English as it is a global language which will help you unite with the world as it will help you unite with the worldly technologies and unite you with the worldly opportunities. So this is a very important aspect of learning English. So I request you all to just pay attention and focus in this session and just hear us what we say. Thank you.
Yes, Pak. Stir.
Uh, okay, the next, please, for introduce for Miss Pellavi. The plus of time for you.
Mister, artinya apa, Mister? Nggak paham, Mister.
Okay, please can you mute yourself? There is a lot of background noise.
Please attention, Tofan.
Yeah.
Topan, Topan.
Yes, Pak. Yes.
Yeah, I am Pallavi Arora. I have been into teaching from last 10 years and specifically the language English. So this is me who is completely dedicated towards teaching. And yeah, while teaching, I have to mentor, I have to guide, I have to counsel the students as well. So I have been doing this from last 10 years and will continue to do so. That's all about my introduction. And yeah, we'll begin the session. But for beginning the session, I hope all the students must have some thoughts, some queries, some questions. Yeah, because when you come to a webinar, you have lots of questions in your mind. So I would like the organizer to begin with the Q&A session, because first the thoughts and queries has to be solved, and then we'll give our inputs. Okay.
Okay, Mister.
Okay. Okay, Miss.
So one by one, everyone can ask us any question regarding India, regarding the native place, regarding English, regarding the worldly knowledge, regarding the general knowledge, or anything. You can ask us just whatever comes in your mind, and we are here to solve every of your queries, which are of global perspective, as your teachers are quite well in their understanding part and in their knowledge part regarding your own country. But when it comes to India or some other South Asian countries, so we are definitely gonna help you and give you a little knowledge about it and a little introduction about it. So feel free to ask anything one by one, by introducing your name first and then asking your question.
Yes, Mister.
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, Mister.
Yeah.
First, let me introduce my name. My name is Dafa, and I want to ask, how do you learn English?
Okay. So basically, we have English in our curriculum from the very junior level in the school education. It's imbibed in our education. It's included in our education system from the very basics. So we have been learning English from our junior level to senior level in every class and every year. So we have been learning English from last somewhat around 12 to 15 years during our school time.
Paham nggak, Dap? Kau nanya nggak paham, Ande?
Okay, thank you, Mister.
You're welcome. Next question, please.
Next question. Any question so far?
Bagaimana Mas? Pakai tangan atau pakai?
No, Pak. Nggak tahu arti, Pak.
Okay, student in this class, sir and miss, do you have question? Right? Oh, okay. The question is how to cook a rice in India.
Okay, how to cook rice in India?
Yeah.
I guess Pallavi ma'am is there to solve this query for you all.
Though that's a wonderful question. How to cook rice in India? So how do you do that in Indonesia? I would ask you this first, and then we'll differentiate. How do you cook rice in Indonesia? So I'll tell you what is the difference between both the countries.
In English, Mister.
Can you repeat? Your voice is actually breaking.
Excuse me. Another question.
Yeah, please ask.
Is Indian more difficult than English?
Can you repeat the question? I'm not able to hear it correctly.
Is Indian more difficult than English?
Yeah, actually, if we talk about the language, then English and every other language. See, Indian is not a language. We have 27 different 22 different official languages in India from every part of India. As per the Indian Constitution, we have 22 different languages which are officially recognized in India. And other than the Indian 22 indigenic languages, we also have the different foreign languages which have their base in the very Sanskrit language. As we all know that every language has been emerged from the Sanskrit language in the world. So yeah, it is quite a difficult language.
Thank you.
Miss, can speak Indonesia, Miss?
Okay, I just know a few of the words in Indonesia, like it's what we say is sama-sama. It's like welcome everyone.
Sama-sama, Mister. Sama-sama.
You are welcome.
Terima kasih.
Terima kasih, Mister. Sama-sama.
Thank you.
Sama-sama.
Mister, ana la fahimtum antum bilighati Inggrisiyah. Ana fahimtum antum bilighati Arabiyah. Ana fahimtum, Mister?
Yes.
Fahimna, Mister, fahimna.
No.
Fahimna, Mister.
Can you translate this to English?
Mang Sari kau nyota.
Nggak ada obat buat tadi.
Mr. Bayu, can you translate this to English? Whatever the students are asking in their native language.
Mister, di
They're just
India,
hiding.
there is still corona, Mister.
Yeah, the pandemic is everywhere on this planet, and definitely it has struck India the most because of its population.
How do you survive?
How do we survive? We survive because of the precautions we take and because of the good medical facilities, the good health facilities we have in India. We are surviving it through, and this is what.
And also, we are taking the jabs.
Yeah,
So
we are taking the jabs. We are, and this is what mankind is all about. We survive everything from Pleistocene to today's current day.
Karantina.
I would
Mister,
request student at
Share
the
how
back.
you have
Halo, Bang
been
Jipri.
to Indonesia, Mister.
Okay, Mr. Perry.
Your
Okay,
advice
my
is
students will ask you a question, right?
Right.
Okay. Please ask. Share him.
Share Parito.
Yeah,
Mr. Perry.
Perry.
Yes.
Mr. Perry,
yeah.
I want to ask you about a food street in India. Food street in India.
Food Street.
Food street. I know one have food.
Obok-obok.
Anyone.
Anyone food.
Anyone.
Anyone food.
It's a lot of noise in the background. I'm unable to get your question.
Hey.
Mr. Bayu, can you
Keep
repeat the
silent.
question?
Hey, keep silent, please. Okay.
Anyone food. Is the name samosa. Do you know samosa?
Yeah, it's a fritter.
The name is samosa.
Are you guys a big fan of Bollywood?
Of course.
Which is your favorite song from the Bollywood?
Shah Rukh Khan.
Sir, have you ever been to Indonesia, Mister?
Masa guys.
But I would love to.
Taufan Tanjung Pinang
Waiting
banyak
besok guys. Ki.
Okay, so whose favorite is Shah Rukh Khan?
From Tanjung Pinang, Mister.
From
I am.
Tanjung Pinang.
Whose favorite is Shah Rukh Khan? Who is a Shah Rukh Khan fan here?
One by one for last question.
One by one, all
I
of
am,
you,
Mister.
please make
Okay,
Kok bisa?
please the next.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
What do you think about Indonesian?
What do you think about Indonesian, Mr. Perry?
Okay, so I have many friends in Indonesia, and Indonesian people are very good in nature, and they are none other than us, because I feel like they have the same customs, they have the same traditions.
Dengerin dulu, dengerin. Okay,
It's
please.
more or less like that we all are same, because we live in a same vicinity. I must say it's a vast geographical vicinity, but yeah, we are almost on the same part of the planet. So we have somewhat the cultural amalgamations. That we have the same culture, we have the mixed cultures, and whatever you promote in Indonesia, we have that in India, and whatever we eat in India, whatever we watch in India, you have that in Indonesia. So it's not a big difference between India and Indonesia.
You know about Three Idiot?
Yeah. It's one of the favorite movies I have.
I love it.
You love it? Any song from Three Idiots? Can you sing it for me?
Because it's
I
motivation
cannot
for
song.
me.
Any song from Three Idiots? Can you sing it for us?
Toyib. Toyib anak fahimtum. Toyib.
Toy
I cannot sing, Mister.
Speak English. Yes.
Speak English. You fahimtum lugat Arabia? Lah.
I cannot sing, Mister.
Yeah,
please go ahead.
please go ahead.
I cannot.
You
You
cannot.
cannot sing.
But
Just
you
try.
can tell the lyrics.
I forgot it.
It's okay.
forgot it.
So let's
It's
come back to the point why we are here. We are here for language upgradation.
Sabar, sabar.
Yeah, students.
Be patient. Be patient.
Mister.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
You know Siti Tanjung Pinang?
No.
You know Siti Tanjung Pinang? Tanjung Pinang, you know Siti? Lah.
Yes,
Tidak?
yes.
The name of region island in Indonesia. This is the name of the region island in Indonesia.
Okay.
Mister.
Okay.
Okay,
I'm
and
from Tanjung Pinang, Mister. You kapan-kapan jalan Tanjung Pinang, I jemput.
when you visit in Indonesian,
For sure, I'm
you have
planning
to
to
go-
visit.
you have to-
I am planning to visit Bali in near future.
Oh,
Kuci-kuci hutahe.
any question so far? Any question again?
Chennam.
Okay, so can we now move on with our today's session? What is actually the basis of the today's session is language upgradation. Okay, it's language upgradation, and why is it important to learn English language? That was the most important thing that we were supposed to discuss today, and I hope all the boys at the back of the organizer we have will get serious and note down those points because this is the actual outcome of this webinar, correct? So I just want quite seriousness from all the students at the back. And yes, please focus on the gaining from this session, right? We can discuss later all these funny issues and points which you want to discuss about anything about India. But before that, the point that we are here for is language upgradation. And let me tell you that out of like 6,500 languages in the world today, English is the widely spoken language, right? And it has been like one about 120 countries we are, it's the most spoken language, English. And why we should do it? Why we should do it? Why do you feel that English is required? Somebody can tell me.
No, ma'am.
Don't you feel that if you are not good at speaking English, you are lacking somewhere? Yes or no?
I'm sorry, Mrs.
I don't think
The
so.
connection is not good in my place, so I can hear
Yeah.
you clearly. Sorry.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'll repeat my question. When you are not good at speaking English, don't you feel that you lack somewhere? You lack in the connection. Don't you feel that?
Yes.
Yeah. So, what are the important things and how you can do it? Okay. Okay. How you can do it? I'm here to tell you this. As I've told you, because English is the widely spoken language. So, it is the language of international communication, right? It is completely a language of international communication. Okay. And likely, when you go somewhere outside to a foreign country, the must and the basic language is English. And when you know it, it gives you an open door. Yeah. It helps you to communicate with global citizens. I hope you're getting this, everyone. Can I get some responses, please? Mr. Bayu, are
Yes,
you there?
ma'am.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So one more point, why it is important to learn English. It gives you access to more entertainment as well, because today on this, we are completely on OTT platforms. We use Netflix. I hope you must be using Netflix, Amazon Primes and every other OTT platform. So it gives you more access to internet as well. Do you face difficulty in accessing internet for certain points or topics?
Not really.
Not really, because it translates into Indonesian language, right? Okay, who is,
Yes.
yeah, so when you go through Netflix, you must get the content in your dubbed language for Indonesia, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But the ones who are traveling abroad, right, means you are traveling to another country. Do you really feel difficulty like when anybody has came to India by now?
Yes.
No.
No. So
No.
plan it. And there
No.
are basic languages which we speak here. Is one is Hindi, that's our mother tongue. Okay. And when you go to different parts of India, you will find a different regional languages over there. But one common language that we have is English. So English works everywhere in every part of country. Okay, that makes it easy to access also. Yeah, it makes it easier to travel as well. Okay, so it is the importance of language upgradation. You have to upgrade your language. Okay, there are many people in India. They also learn different kind of languages like French, German. So they also go on language upgradation. We know multiple languages, but we keep on upgrading ourselves. So similarly, you should also do it because there are a lot of benefits when it comes to English. As I've already told you, it's a global language, right? So it can also make you smarter because you can access as many countries as you want. Because most of the countries actually work with this language, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Any more questions by now?
Who amongst you I'm asking from all of you, who amongst you wants to go out of Indonesia to work or to pursue some business? How
Me?
many are you there in total?
I don't know.
Have you ever thought of going out of the country to work?
No.
Not
Okay,
yet.
not yet. Do you think your country has enormous job opportunities and work opportunities, and you're satisfied with that?
Maybe a little.
Maybe a little more. We can always push a little more, right? Because as we know that some countries like USA and European countries, they have this technological boom, and they have this enormous technological opportunities which we can pursue by going there only, because they are not going to teach us here, right? So for
Right.
that, we actually will be needing English as an interfacing language, because we cannot survive in any country if we go outside our country without the English language. What do you think? How are we communicating our thoughts to you? We sitting in India, we residing in India, we are actually communicating our thoughts to you all. What is the medium which we are using?
Computer?
It's the computer and the English language, which is
No,
common
no, this
to
is
both
not
of us.
uh, not assessment. Okay, students in when what is that? No, 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 don't don't ask like that. Apakah sholat umat Islam beribadah di India? Oh. Kalau di Rusia kan biasanya masjid cuma buka pada jam sholatnya. Kalau di lewat jam sholat satu orang lagi. Okay. Okay. Question for all, Mr. Perry and Miss Pelavi. For my students in this class. Okay. The question is any difficulties for Muslim in Indian to pray in a mosque?
No, if we talk about the country, or if we talk about a general perspective, in context of the citizens of the country, it's a very fraternity behavior we are pursuing in India, and we have more of a mosques than the temples in India. But yeah, some the corporate media sources always try to show some of these scenarios to everyone for their business perspective. They will be gaining if you will be watching. It's all about the TRP game and the media and its business. Because in reality, when we walk out in our streets, everything is peaceful in India. And if we watch news channels, if we go to the media channels, everything is communal in India. But if we go outside, if we travel through the country, if we meet people personally, there is harmony prevailing all over the country.
Okay, clear? Is clear? Oh, okay. My student is uh, understand about that. You got it? Okay, okay. My students got it.
Okay, okay.
Thank
So
you so
you're
much.
completely
About you?
welcome to India anytime you come here. You're free to pray. You're free to celebrate. So you're welcoming you all. You can come and join us and be a part of this wonderful country.
You know, this is the only country which has it's written in the constitution that we can practice any religion.
I can see like 65 plus students, but only hardly 2 to 3 are communicating. So are you finding this webinar quite informative enough? Please come up with your questions. Please be interactive. Go ahead. Or there's a lot of disturbance going on. Mohammed Abdi Harman, can you please mute yourself?
Abdi.
Abdi.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay.
Tua.
Yeah.
You have to mute your.
Tua.
Yeah. So let's go with the
Okay.
topic.
Any question?
Okay, Altofan Hidayat.
Yes, Mister.
Any question from your end?
Dan artinya apa, Dad?
Maaf, lag.
Any question you want to ask?
No.
Okay. Dawa
No,
Samad,
sir. Thank you.
Yes.
do you want to ask any questions from us?
Okay. Sonia, do you want ask for Mr. Pellery or Miss Pervi?
Miss Pauli.
Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Okay,
Ask
okay.
anything. Feel free.
Miss, can I get your number?
Yeah,
you can
sure.
follow us. You can follow us on Instagram. Okay, I'll.
Hafiza is raising the hand. Any question, Hafiza? I'm not able to read your name properly. Hafiza is the first name. Yes, please.
So we can following you guys in.
Yeah, you can
Beautiful
follow
skill.
us on Instagram. It's by the name of you can all note it down. It's CVA
Educate.
EDU CATIONS. It's the official page of our organization.
Also, we can share the links with Mr. Bayu and they can forward it. What do you say, Mr. Patosh?
Yeah, for sure. We can share the link as well. But those who want to write it down, they can write it down right here only. It's CVA Educations. CVAEDUCATIONS. That's the username we have on Instagram and Twitter and Facebook and everywhere.
Can you
I
please
got
share
it.
your screen
Thank
and
you.
show them also?
Okay.
You can share your screen and show them as well.
Can you
Yes.
write that in the comment?
Yes,
Actually, the comments have been disabled by the admin, so
Oh, okay.
we have definitely would have. Mr. Bayu, can you please enable the comment section?
Okay, my students will be asked question again.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's it. The question is how many religion in your country?
Numerous, I must say. Numerous. Not one, not two, it's numerous. Because like if we talk about Hinduism also have the sects which are divided on a regional basis, regional basis. So it's the customs and the cultures are varying from one place to another. Same goes with Islam, same goes with Christianity, same goes with Buddhism. India is the originator of Buddhism. India is an originator of Hinduism. So we have numerous religions with different sects, and the sects are also varying with the culture and the heritage regionally. It's different in north, it's different in south, it's different in east, and it's different in west.
One question is coming from Hafiza Ryan. You can please ask your question, dear. Hafiza Ryan, please.
My students response again. He asked in Indian, have atheist or not?
Indians have, sorry, beg your pardon.
Any atheist in Indian? Any atheist?
Any atheist in India? Yeah, there are many atheists in India as well, because we have the freedom to pursue the religion. So we can pursue any religion, or we can not pursue any religion. It's completely a personal thing. It's completely an individual character.
So, is there
Yeah.
any Islam in India?
Yeah, there are almost 1/4 of Indian population is Islamic. And if we talk about the unified country, before the independence, before 1947, it was 50% Islamics and 50% Hindus. Though they are divided from us because of the political agenda of some of the top-notch leaders at that time, but the Islams and the Hindus and the Muslims and the Christians, they have no differences in their heart. You know, uh, by heart, by cultures, by the love we share, by the bond we share, we are all one. But we here in India, we had been divided earlier before the independence because of the political agenda of some of the leaders, or the political aspirations of some of the leaders.
I understand. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay, ask question again. Okay.
Okay, before we begin, can
Mister, Punaka wish you from India.
Can you repeat?
Jangan dulu nanti.
Permission, sir. I have a question for you.
Yeah.
Okay.
If I want to study in India, what the university is good?
What is the best university in India? If my student will go and
Okay. So it
next
completely depends. It completely depends on which career you want to pursue. Like if we talk about the technological career, or if we talk about the engineering graduation, we have several IITs, that are the Indian Institute of Technologies, and we have been providing the engineers to the whole world. We have the massive population of engineers, we have the massive population of doctors, we have the massive population of management graduates, we have everyone. So it completely depends on what career you want to pursue, and then I'll let you know. You have my Instagram ID, and I make sure today with this medium that whenever anyone amongst you, if you want to pursue your career in India, I'm always there for you in India.
Thank you.
Welcome. Next question, please.
Okay, now we quickly move to, please keep a check on your questions. We'll continue with this. But let me give you a quick, awareness of how to upgrade this English language and what are the skills that is essential for learning the language. Okay, so if you would like to, you can note it down as well. The skills that are essential for learning the language English are the basic 4 skills. I hope you have been learning with other languages as well. So one is listening. Okay, another is speaking. Then we have reading and writing. Can you please mute yourself, Mr. Bayu? It's a lot of noise going on.
Sorry, the connection, internet connection is very bad.
Okay, Mr. Bayu, it's a lot of noise going on in the background.
Yeah.
Make
Okay.
What is the
Please,
basic of
be quiet.
learning English?
Yeah, just hold on. Let
Jibril,
me.
Jibril.
Please mute yourself, Mr. Bayu. There is no question because somebody is asking question, and I'm unable to hear that.
What is the basic of learning English?
Can you repeat the question?
What is the basic of learning English?
Basic is
Yes.
reading. When you read and listen. See, there are different, different ways. It depends on a student how a student able to learn. Now, as I've told you, there are 4 skills. How to write it, either you hear it or you read it. Or somebody learns from, we learn from audios as well. We learn from, yeah. We learn from the
Okay.
audios, we'll read. So it completely depends on how we would like to learn. When there are learners who learn from the audios, so it completely improves your imagination. You keep on thinking, because if you come to another language, how we are learning, we first listen to the audios. In India, most of the learners of different languages comes from listening. So when we keep on listening, we go on the translation, we completely visualize all the completely and memorize those words. Like how Mr. Paritosh get to know these international languages. He has heard somewhere, so he has started learning about it. Okay. He started translating about it. Okay. And similarly, when it comes to reading, so reading, you can read a lot of articles. And how will you read it when you know the basic of that? Okay. So yes, you can start from like 10 to 12 words a day, and that will help you to improve your vocabulary. Right? And when it comes to speaking, you have to keep on speaking. It is not like that we are completely, a master in English. We are still on a learning phase, and we keep on learning every day. So we get to know our mistakes every day and we improve them. So this is how you master something. Okay.
I would like to add something
Okay.
in between as well. That the basic of learning English or the basic of learning any language, or I will generalize the term now, the basic of learning. The basic of learning is the willingness from within. If you are willing to learn anything, you have several ways to learn. And if you are not willing and taking it as a syllabus or taking it as a course of action, then you cannot learn. You cannot learn anything. You cannot cram anything. You cannot just gulp it down like your rice, a bowl of rice. You should have the hunger of learning that thing from yourself, from your within. So it is the basic thing is the willingness when it comes to learning of anything, not of the language but of anything. If you want to learn anything and if you have that hunger in yourself, you can learn anything.
Okay. Thank you for your advice.
You're welcome.
And we'll be soon having a webinar on this. So yeah, we'll let you know about every aspect of learning English. Okay. So we'll be soon having it, and also we'll be inviting you as a part of it, everyone, so that you can take your outputs from that.
I excited.
Okay. So the one who was asking is how to improve that. There are certain, simple tricks you can do it. Try to speak the same language amongst your friends or family, whomsoever you are comfortable with. You will do mistakes, but at least you can improve them. There'll be no hesitation about that. So if you're really willing to do something, you can do it, because this is how we have done it. Also, watch English channels, news channels, but please watch nice things, watch informative things. So you can go with the news channels, which are completely global, and movies. Okay, and you will be able to understand sooner or later, because we have captions below that. So there is a wonderful feature also which we call as captions. So you can go with that. You can read magazines, whosoever are good to read. Everybody is not having that ability or capability, I should say, to read books. So if you are not good at audibility, so you're not a good audible learner, you can read magazines, you can read novels as well, but only when you'll start it up, right? You can participate in group discussions like the way you are doing it right now. So that will improve your confidence as well. So it will give you, it will give you that confidence to be public, to be vocal there. And yeah, you can start making notes as well. So do that. Practice these speaking skills at least 5 to 10 minutes a day, and you'll surely see the change in yourself and your language upgradation.
Thank you.
Anything by now, please, students? I
Yes, it
would
is.
like to take your questions. We are here for an interactive session.
One, you will ask a question again. Okay, my students will ask you again. One.
Uh, I see a video on the internet. I see street food on India is so dirty because he not use gloves. He just make the street food. You
There is
just
a lot
use,
of laugh unnecessarily at the back. We are not
Don't
able to
laugh,
hear
don't
the
laugh.
question.
Okay. Next. Okay, come on. Please be quiet, please. Okay. Don't be noisy.
Miss, I have a question.
Yes, please,
Okay.
Sonia.
Sorry, Mr. Perry, Miss Pelovi.
It's okay. I
About my
know how students can
Sonia
student
be.
in
is
class.
asking something. Let Sonia ask. Sonia, please go ahead.
Uh, how to learn grammar? Because it's very difficult to learn it. Where should I start?
Okay, how to learn grammar. Now, see, yes, it is difficult, but first thing that you should know is the fluency of the language.
Okay, ulangi lagi.
When you know the fluency of the language, then you'll be able
Pak
to
Bayu
learn
mati.
the grammar. Yeah, please. Am I
Just
audible?
continue, Miss.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, see, when we began here with the grammar knowledge, what is the point of
Come on.
yeah, what is the point is
I see.
Pak Bayu, lagi ada yang nanya, Pak. Jadi mau dijawab.
Because he not use a glove, so he just make them with the hand. So what do you think about it?
I'm not sure with the question.
Mr. Bayu, can you please repeat the question?
What do you think about?
Pak Bayu, tadi si Salwa lagi tanya, Pak.
Okay.
Terus tadi ada yang nyamber, jadi nggak jadi dijawab.
Okay. Okay. Please. Okay. Salwa first. Okay. Come on, Salwa. Repeat your question again. For Mr. Perry or for Miss Pellavi?
I was answering something. Please
Salwa, are you with?
I was answering something. to one of the girls, Salva, I think. Okay. Please,
Yes,
can you
Miss.
mute yourself?
Okay, please, Salwa.
Pak Bayu,
If you
matiin
want to
mic-nya saya.
ask,
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. So I was answering your question, dear, that how to learn grammar. Now, when you are in a childhood, then it is easy to learn the basics first. But as you grow up, you cannot learn now the basics first. First, you have to learn the fluency now. So when you're fluent, one by one, we can focus on the grammar chapters. There are a grammar curriculum which we follow everywhere, I think. So yeah, that curriculum now at this particular age, what's your age, dear? Salva, what's your age?
Yes, Miss.
What's your age? In which class are you?
Uh,
In the
You must be in the senior wing, I guess, right?
yes, it's same like me.
Okay, so
Okay.
she must be she's in senior wing.
Okay, so what I'm trying to say, when you grow up, you cannot go to the basics. You cannot start with A correctly. Like it's A to Z. So now you have to get back in a reverse order. First, improve your fluency. Okay. And then when you are completely fluent with the language, you can go with the basics one by one as per they are challenging you. Right? If you want to learn about certain topics, can you tell me few topics, Salva, over there? What you face difficulty at?
I difficult in present tense, past tense. Yes.
Okay, the tenses basically.
Tenses,
Yes.
basically. Yeah. So I got that.
Me too.
But yeah. Yeah. So basically, when it comes to tenses, you'll begin with verbs. We begin with sentences. So when we began with sentences at this senior age, I cannot let you come back to that zero level. So here you have to come in a reverse order. First, you have to focus with the fluency of your language. Then with the major things, like when it comes to tenses, you should know the forms of verbs. You should know the verbs as well. You should know the use of those forms of verbs. Are you getting, Salma?
Yes, I get it. Thank you, Miss.
Yeah, okay.
Sooner we'll be having some webinars in a series of webinars, so we'll be conducting, and we'll be notifying that on our Instagram page and Facebook page, so you can better follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and definitely we'll be approaching you through the school as well, so you can join us there as well if you want, and if you have any queries in near future or in future regarding anything of English or the general knowledge, or if you want to interact with us as well.
Okay, Mister.
Okay.
Yeah, any more questions? Quickly.
okay, my students. What is your name? Guntur. Guntur. My students is his name is Guntur.
Excuse me,
Okay.
sir. Excuse me, sir.
Okay,
Can
please.
you hear me?
Please ask. Please ask.
Okay,
I
speak.
have a question for you.
Yeah.
You can speak English. You can speak India. Are you want to start speak Indonesian?
No, we cannot speak Indonesian until unless we learn it. So if we want to go with the language, yes. There are many Indians who speak German, who speak French, who speak Russians. So if, this is how we go and learn it. So when we learn it, we can speak Indonesian as well. But as by now we have not been, it's we didn't feel any requirement for learning the same. So yeah, we have not learned it. But yeah, now I think that this is a high time that when we are interacting to you, we should learn the language, like Indonesian language.
So, how much language do you have learned?
See, as I've told you, we know like 4 to 5 languages by now. If you ask us Urdu, yes, we know several vocabulary in Urdu as well. We know Hindi and English are completely fluent to us, which we know from the basics, because in here in India, it's in our curriculum, you know. Apart from that, we have to take the curriculum like that, which are not available in all the schools, in all the, in all the cities over here. So yes, for other languages, we have to opt the curriculum that way.
I get it.
Okay. As Mr. Paritosh told you, we have almost more than 1/4 population as Muslims over here. So Urdu also comes into our, genes. It comes from the basics. So there are a lot many words which we use like from Sanskrit, from Hindi, which is our mother tongue, and yeah, Urdu as well. So there is a mix and match of out of these languages. Also, you'll find a mix of Punjabi as well, which is a regional language here. So yes, you'll find that touch also. Yes, please. Next question.
Any more questions?
No,
Okay, use me. Okay. Okay, Guntur again. Okay. Okay, no problem. If you want to ask for Mr. Perry, no problem.
Yeah, please. Feel free to ask.
Okay. Please ask more. Okay.
Excuse me, sir. I want to ask again for you. In India, so many student university in India, Indonesian people in India study in there. Are you know? No.
Do you know any Indonesian people studied in university in Indian?
Okay.
Do you know about it? Do you know about it?
I don't know them personally, but I have seen many Indonesian people studying here. You know, we have not only the students from Indonesia, we also have the students from Africa, we have the students from Myanmar, we have the Bangladeshi students. We have almost covered globally through our education system. So we have a good set of education system here in India, and that will definitely gonna benefit you if if you want to ask and if you want to pursue your career in India. And we will always be there for you. So you don't have to think twice about it. We'll always be there.
Mister.
Sure.
Yes,
Good
please.
university in India.
Can you repeat?
Good university in India.
Good university in India. Good university in India. We have several good universities in India, as I told you earlier. Can you please tell me your inclination towards your which career stream you want to choose? You want to go into medical sciences? You want to go into engineering sciences? You want to go into management field? What do you want to pursue? Then I'll tell you.
Ayo, paham nggak Topan? Ayo.
Paham.
Mister,
Yes.
can you play game Mobile Legend?
Siapa lu?
Sorry.
Udah, stop. Bang.
Sir, I wanna.
Okay. My student's name Toha. Right? Okay, Toha. Do you want to ask for
Yes, I wanna ask to
Mr. Perry?
Mr. Perry.
Okay.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Mr. Perry, do you know our president, Jokowi? Jokowi, president of Indonesia. Do you know?
No. I don't know him. I just read that he is elected as the president of Indonesia.
Ya, nggak tahu, Pak.
Again, you asked about the president of like Mahatma Gandhi.
Do you know President
Play
of
PUBG.
Indonesia?
Do you know Jokowi? Jokowi, you know.
No, as I told you, I just read that yes,
Jokowi the most person. Okay.
Do you know Prabowo? Prabowo.
President in Indonesia Jokowi. Okay.
Maaf, Al Taufan Hidayat silakan keluar.
Maksudnya apa sih?
Okay, what do you think about Mahatma Gandhi? My students.
Mahatma Gandhi is the very fatherly figure to all Indians in the world. Not the Indians in India, but to all the Indians in the world. And not to all Indians in the world, I'll say that many people from all over the world know him, and they treat him as the fatherly figure because he was the man of peace. He was the Nobel laureate. He was he was such a noble personality that he was actually being recognized by the world for his peaceful agitation against the imperialistic powers in India. And without him, we would never been able to understand the power of peaceful agitation. In his words, that was called Satyagraha. Do you know what is Satyagraha? Yes, Hafiz. Hafiz Rehan.
Oh, yes.
Yes, please. You've raised your hand.
Oh, just kepencet.
No, Hafiz. Come on. Ask.
No. Just kepencet, Pak.
Oh my God, my students
I'm sorry.
decide to speak up. Very excited. Speak up for your fluently in English. Hafiz.
Yes.
Okay.
Hafiz.
Okay, please mute again if you not make a question, right?
Amin.
Okay, mute. Okay. Any question again? For my students, Toha. Okay. Come on, Toha.
Sir, do you know Say Baba? Say Baba.
Yeah, I definitely know Sai Baba, and it's so excited that you know him, and I really feel glad that you are so much interested in the Indian culture. And yes, we definitely know Sai Baba, and we he is also a godly figure to us.
We believe in ethics, whatever he has given to us, and we believe that all religions are same, and we are all run by this divine power, which is completely one for all of us. So yeah, we actually believe in the teachings of Sai Baba, and we completely follow them. So it's completely imbibed into us. Yes, next please. Hafiza is raising hand. Hafiza, any question?
So, from your opinions, which is the best university in India?
From my opinion,
Continue.
From my opinion, every university is a best university if you are willing to learn from it. It's not the teachers who will make you learn in universities, it is the students who exploit the knowledge of teachers to learn anything.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Okay. What? Okay. Okay. Any question for Yasmi?
Mister,
Okay,
name
for Yasmi.
Instagram.
Yasmi.
Mister?
Mister,
I have one question. What's your provider in India?
Are you with me, Mr. Perry?
Can you
Mr.
repeat the
Pelvi?
question? Can you repeat the question?
Proprietor. I think.
Oh, provider. My students ask about provider in India. What is the provider in there?
Proprietor in what terms they're asking?
I'm unable to hear because of the background noise.
Yeah, I'm not able to get the question in what terms they're asking. They're asking for our, our academy, or in what terms are they asking? Can you please elaborate the question?
Tahu sih kamu.
What's your provider in India?
Namanya asing providernya.
What kind of proprietor are you asking, dear? For our academy, or for what purposes? You know, there are different proprietors for different purposes.
Okay. Are you got it? Okay.
Sir.
If you're asking about our academy, we are the proprietors.
Alright.
Do you like BTS?
Okay, come on.
Okay, finish. Mr. Perry.
Yeah.
Do you play a game?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you play Free Fire?
No, I don't play Free Fire. I instead play PUBG.
Oh.
Don't play
PUBG. You play PUBG.
Oh my god.
I think that's an achievement today.
Man.
And if you want to join me in PUBG, my username is Victor Trump.
Yes. So
Mister, do you know Bigetron Alpha?
PUBG, man.
Won the war.
Yeah. Do you know Bigetron?
Bigetron Alpha.
Sir,
From
let
Indonesia.
mabar sir.
Speak one by one.
Okay,
Please
we have a
speak one by
session completely on PUBG itself.
Please speak English, Hafiz. Speak English.
Mister.
Okay, let's mabar.
Mister, let's play together with our friend. His name is Pipit. Pipit is MVP in SMA Integral Hidayatullah Batam.
Okay. Then ask him to join me. My username is Victor Trump.
Oh, his name is Curut.
Okay.
His nickname is Curut.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
His nickname is Curut.
Any more questions other than PUBG? We have shifted our focus from English to PUBG.
What do you think about PUBG now?
It's a great game.
PUBG.
Let's take it as a game only.
Vikendi is gone and new maps. What do you think about Erangel School?
It's a great game. I'll say it's a great game, but you should take it as a game only, because I have come across this report from all over the world that students are engaging themselves in PUBG for quite a long, and which is actually letting their education hamper. It's a game. You should take it as a game. You should play it for fun. You should not addicted to it.
Yes, mister.
But do we have this webinar for PUBG, or we keep a separate webinar, on informative informations about PUBG?
PUBG, sir. PUBG.
Actually, ma'am is feeling left out because she don't play PUBG.
No, I really feel there are many students who are feeling left out.
Okay.
I don't play it.
Any question from English?
And you play Mobile Legends?
No more about playing. It's education seminar. Any question regarding the English?
Mister, I have question.
Clarification. Oke, silakan.
Taufan
Please,
Berjamban.
silakan. Siapa yang tanya tadi?
Saya,
Silakan angkat tangan.
Evos
Oh,
Marbat is
Inaya
my
ya.
wife.
Oke.
Oh, Inaya.
Oke, Inaya.
Have one question.
Yeah. Please tell me.
Can you share us about IT technology in India, which is very advanced in the world?
Okay. Can you please repeat the question, Mr. Bayu? Inaya, can you repeat the question, please?
I think the connection is bad.
Inaya,
Connection.
tolong diulangi pertanyaannya Inaya. Pardon. Oke.
Okay, sir. Can you share to us about IT technology in India, which is very advanced in the world?
Okay, so basically we have the good infrastructure, and we have a great colleges and the universities all over in India, which promotes the technological advancement. And we in India have a good set of IT technology syllabuses and the degree courses and the graduation courses and everything. So I guess the curriculum we have set in India and the mindset, the second Silicon Valley after Singapore of South Asia is in India only. So basically, it's because of the curriculum and the universities and the teachers that we have a great deal of. We are the largest supplier of IT engineers all over the world.
Okay, understand, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome. Okay. Salva, you were raising the hand.
yes, sir.
Yeah, please tell me.
In Indian universities, what are the most popular majors?
Okay, what are the most popular majors? The most popular majors of Indian universities are none other than every major we have in any other country, and these are the engineering major, the medical sciences, and the management sciences.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
Okay, any question again for Ghazi? Ghazi,
No.
do you want to ask Mr. Perry or Miss Elvi? Oh, question for Mr. Perry.
Yes.
Oh, right. Okay. Do you know about the tuition in India? Right.
Do you know?
Do you know about tuition in India?
I didn't get it. Can you please repeat it?
For Indonesian students.
For Indonesian studies, yes, right?
No.
Tuition for
See,
Indonesian studies.
there are.
Do you know about it?
There in India, we
program
yeah.
tuition.
Yeah. That's what I'm telling you. That in India, there are nothing called the Indian education system or the Indonesian programs for the Indonesian students. We have the programs in India out of the geographical barriers. So we have no linguistic problems in India. We have no geographical barriers in India if we come to the education point of view. So any student from Indonesia, any student from anywhere in the world, if they feel like that they want to pursue something in India, they are free to come. They are free to take admissions in India, and they are free to pursue their career in India. I am loving the person who's dancing behind this white shirt guy. I really want him to dance in front of the camera so that we can all enjoy that.
My student is very clear about that.
Thank you, Mr.
Okay,
Malafi.
clear about that? You got it? Okay, okay. My student is very clear.
Terima kasih.
Okay, thank you so much for your
Terima
question,
kasih, Pak Mr. Malafi.
Mr. Perry. Okay.
So I guess it's all about, yeah, Farley.
I have question for both of you. I want to improve my speak skills, but I don't have anyone to speak in English because I don't have confidence. So I want to ask advice from you. Thank you.
I have an answer for it. What is the
No,
use of
no, no,
social
no.
media then? Use your social media. Another thing, I hope you are well aware of the Clubhouse part. Are you there on Clubhouse?
I'm sorry, I can hear your voice clearly.
Am I audible, Mr. Paritosh?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So yeah, I would like to ask that are you on Instagram? You have Instagram, you have Facebook. You can have multiple people as you want. And another aspect which we have is Clubhouse. So there in Clubhouse there are multiple rooms for everything. So go and explore all these platforms of social media when you don't have anybody around you for certain things, right? Other than that, yes, you can go ahead, create your recordings and upload them for a verification on our website or on our Instagram page as well. We'll help you with that.
Also, you can connect with us, and we'll be talking with your schools. And if they allow us, we'll be conducting several seminars and webinars like that. So we can actually communicate to each other, and we'll get you plenty of opportunities to improve your English.
But do not hesitate. The one thing is no hesitation and that ready to learn behavior. So when you're ready for that, you'll surely improve. So don't feel it like that. Okay.
Okay,
Sorry?
thank you.
Yeah, we are there for you. Don't worry.
Okay, thank you for.
So I guess this is it for today. As almost every question has been asked, every question has been answered, and I really loved and I really enjoyed talking to you all. I really, enjoyed the questions, the zeal you have, the excitement you have. I really enjoyed that. So I definitely want to have some more webinars and some more sessions like that in the future as well. We are having the time difference, but we can definitely cope up with that. So I'll talk to the management, and you also ask your school teachers and school management to arrange certain sessions for you near future as well. And definitely don't forget to follow our pages on Facebook and Instagram, and we are there. We will be conducting several sessions there, and you can join us there as well. Okay.
Okay, Mister.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir. Sir.
Okay.
No. How much your age? Miss Palafa. Miss Palafi.
Yes, please ask.
How old are you?
So, Mr. Bayu, just wrap it up, and we'll have some certain sessions again if you want.
Okay, come on. If you want to give
Miss Palafi.
Okay.
How much your age?
Who are you?
I have experience of 10 years, so you can count it up accordingly.
Mr. Beautiful.
Oh, it's mean how How old are you? How old are you? How old are you?
Okay, I'll tell you. I'm 30 years old here.
How old are you?
My quick connection is not.
Yeah, you must be lagging in the connection. Mr. Bayu?
Okay.
So let's wrap it up.
Okay, Mr. Perry.
Mr. Perry.
The connection
Mr. Perry.
is very bad. The connection is very bad.
Yes, please.
I follow you in IG. Please fall back.
Okay. So thank you all for let us being here, and I really enjoyed your company, and we'll definitely get back some another time. Okay.
Mister. Yes. Pinjam megang pisau. Pinjam. Oke, Mister. Pak, Bapak tadi kan nampakkan Fitra mau nanya. Nampakkan Fitra mau nanya. Oke, tanya lah. Sir. Oh, sir. Miss Falafi. Bilang jaringan kita ngelek-ngelek, Cok.
So we can go now?
Matiin lah.
I hope you know that you are connecting, the devices are really close to each other. There is a magnetic field, so one has to remove and you can.
Okay. Kasih mati ya ini ya, mati aja. Mati ya,
So do follow us on Instagram and Facebook, and it was nice being with you all. Definitely we'll be in contact, we'll be in touch. Okay, and if you require any more sessions, you can write us on Instagram, you can write us on Facebook, and anywhere you can write.
Okay.
Okay,
So,
sir.
have a great day for today, and we'll definitely catch up some other time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
See you soon, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, mister.
Bye-bye.
Have a nice day.
Same here. Same to you.
Thank you, Miss.
Bye.
Thank you, Mr. and Miss.
I love you.
I love you.
Mr. Fitra. Hello, Mr. Fitra.
Want to ask one question.
Hello, Mr. Fitra. Why you so handsome?
Okay. Are you
Pak,
asking?
udah boleh keluar ya, Pak?
Hello, Apis.
Huh? Why you so handsome? You like
Apis.
Thank you so much.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Please.
Yes, mister.
Once you have all the worldly knowledge and once you have that level of intellect, you will also become handsome.
I like you, sister. Sister. Apa di ham?
Yeah, she's lovely.
Kenapa? Astagfirullahalazim.
Okay. So see you soon, and we really hope to see you soon. Okay.
Amin.
Okay, Mister.
Okay.
Have
Have a nice day.
Nice to meet you.
a nice day.
My name IG. Last ask question. Warbun. Last question. Warbun, tahu Mister? Miss, last question.
Do you know Sinaga?
Miss, open Miss. Yes.
Pak udah balik keluar ya Pak?
Pamer.
Pak Bayu udah balik keluar ya Pak?
Many amer in here.
Keluar.
Pak Bayu
Keluar.
udah balik keluar ya?